Hey, what's up, guys? It's Calculator the Honda and it is the best tools, and it is lots of tools. First of it is the college drill, and there is the open up, and right is the tools. And then is the ones inside that no charger, and there is the two pillars and five and screw. And then there is the small Phillips, and there is this five and screw, and there is the smaller screw. And then those tools, and the second step, they get this the front end, and then the screw, and then they take a blue thread and make the front end screwdriver and places the Phillips end, and places the Phillips, and break it this the tools, the box of tools. Okay, so there is the colored screws, and they get it frozen up, and they keep it up. Second step in it is the mid tools. There is the college drill, the high drill, and break it is the drill, and break it there is the drill. High tools is the drill, and to take it is on these mid tools, the college drill. There is the tools that fight and this and Phillips and screws, and here you go. Okay, so there is the Phillips that there's a screw, and there is the low and high. There you go. This is the battery, is the power share, and there is 36 watts. And there is the battery, there's the drill, and there is the big tools, the battery one. That's the battery tool, and there is the battery, this big tools, chargeable, and there is the power safe, and there is the great battery, and there is the 36 watts. There is the charger, and why can there's the charger here, and why can there is the chargeable, the right is 21 volts and 48 volts, and it is for the delivered for China, and Waker is delivered for China. This is the US flag, and where there is the flag here, there is the drill. So they press the big V, and if they can cross it up, and then keep it up, there you go. There is the smaller toolbox, and they can take it to this is the smaller, and there is the right and screw, and the smaller big, and there is the Phillips and big too, and there's the smaller, and there is the red right end screw, and there is the part 3 and Phillips, and there is the screw, and there is the Phillips and screws, and there is the 6 screwdrivers, and they can just keep it up, and they can just rubber bands, and they can just rubber band tools. Okay, this is the first step. There is the other one, the one step, and there is the box, the college drill, and there is the white tape, and there is the toe screw, and there is the hook there, there is the razor blade, and there is the cell phone tools, and there is the side cutters, and there is the easy handy those, and there is the none, those number, 9 nose, 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 9 n two
Spare his
snips,
life.
and there is the
And I will give
sharp
you the
snips,
stone.
and then the 40 gauge. And there is those tools, and there is the
No tricks.
US, the non-nose pliers, the easy handy tools. There you go. Easy handy. There is the pliers here, and there is the easy handy tools, and there's silver, the pliers, and the easy is the water meter, is the bicycles. There is the facet, the Phillips head screw, and the screwdriver. There's the fire ends, and that's the Phillips head screw. And this is like 80s. There you go. Okay, so there is those steps, and there is the screw, and there is the toolbox, and there is the fourth toolbox, and we're gonna hit this and close it up.
Cap. That's it.
There is the toolbox money, and there is the battery, and right there is the toolbox, and then there is the flashlight there with the razor knife, and
Look at me.
there is
You have the power to destroy the star.
those
You must
the faceted long pliers. There is two sharp tools, snips, and there is the 2 gauge, and those tools, and there is the guitar, and there is the guitar tools for speaker, and there is the those tools, the fire and screw. There is the Phillips head screw, and there is the multi-ear, and there is the easy handy is the multi-ear. There is those tools. There you go. Okay, so this those tools, and there is those tools here. So there is those tools. There is the battery, the 5 blocks of tools, and there is those tools. There is the 5 tools, and there is the toolbox, and there is the car tool. There is the meat tools, and right here this is the box of tools. And please subscribe and watch.